with us. You know me, I'm off in the cut, always like a squirrel, looking for a